Yeah, hello, Tosi. How are you today? Now, I want to teach you about how to add those pictures in, in the style, in the way I sent you before on WhatsApp. So simple. It's very simple. Now, once you log in, you'll be faced with this kind of interface. Just come to this DV gallery, and just hover your mouse on it. It should give you this extension here, this extended menu. Now what you do is you click on add new gallery. When you click on add new gallery, it's going to take you to this page. I've already automatically opened the page down, to make it easy, because my internet is not so good here. Now when you click on add new gallery, it will take you to this page. You can see add new gallery page. You now click here and press the title. This is my new style. Okay, this is my new style. I give you the title. Of course, you can select the layout of the page, but I will leave it as default the way it is. I recommend that you leave it as default also. Then you now choose the type of gallery you want to create. If you want a photo gallery, you click here. You leave it like this. If you want a video gallery, let's say you have some set of videos that you have made for yourself, let's say 5 different videos for your style, you can click on video gallery. It will allow you to add videos. If it is from a link, well, you can click on link, but I would suggest you leave it on photo gallery, because I guess you might just be doing photos. Then after that, here is where you add information. My internet is bad, that's why this did not load, but it looks like the normal way you post, the way you write things. You see some blah 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 like Microsoft Word up here. Just click in this box and type the information about the gallery. Oh, my style is this, that, blah blah blah, and so on like that. Then you scroll down to, now clicking on activate autoplay here makes your gallery to automatically plays. So when people click to view in your gallery, like here, when they click view in gallery, front end users will see here, when they click view in gallery, it takes them to the gallery page, and they would be able to, when they get to the gallery page, all the pictures will play automatically after 4 seconds. So every 4 seconds it plays. When after 4 seconds it goes to the next picture, and it goes to the next picture, so the user don't have to be clicking on next. It automatically plays in slides, and it plays in 4 seconds. So after that, you can now add your files. Just click here. It takes you to the normal way you add photos. How you when you want to add photo before, it takes you to a particular place where you can add the different photos and so on. Though it's not clicking as I'm clicking, because I think my internet is very, very bad. Then when you get to this place, you can even add many photos at once. Instead of adding it one by one, you can multiple select more than one photo. Like you can see here, you can make a multi-selection with control click. You press control on your laptop. If you're using Windows, Microsoft Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and so on. Press on control and click all of the pictures you want to select, and click on OK. You will have that. After clicking all of that, you can set feature image. Please, it is very important you set feature image here, because the feature image will be the image you'll be seeing here. You can see like your picture here. When I was doing this one, I set feature image here. That was the image showing. Then after you have done all of that, you click on publish. When you click on publish, your gallery comes and line up here. To get to this place, after you click on publish here, you click on publish, go back to DV gallery from the menu and click DV gallery here, this one. Remember when we started, I said click on new, add new gallery. Now when you have filled up the details of the add new gallery and you have click on publish button here, come to DV gallery again and click on DV gallery here, like if I do like this. Okay, you come to DV gallery again, not this one, this one. You over your mouse and come to DV gallery again and click, and it should take you to this place. You see all the galleries you have created. This one is for the DV gallery. So you see the second gallery, what you just need is click, copy this short code here. Okay, just find a way to copy it. When you copy it, if you can't copy it, click on edit. You surely get a way to copy it. My internet is so damn slow, so it's going to take a lot of time, and I don't want this video to take too much. Okay, blah blah blah, wake up, come on. Let's go to the next one. So now, after you have finished with that, sorry for that. You can see, you remember the featured image section, I added your image and that was the image showing. After you finish that and you finish copying the short code, you will now come to post. You come to post, you now add new post. When you add new post, it now brings you to the new post section, which looks like gallery too, but you will see add new post here. You now give your post a title. I'm just using this example as your this could not show Gucci brands and so on. But what you can do, you can simply copy this, at your own time and paste it. First of all, here where you're supposed to put the content of your post, put that short code here. Okay, you can see, because my internet is loading slowly. Okay, put that short code first, that gallery short code, put it, paste it, then click on next, takes you to the next line. Then you now paste this that I put here, just copy them, paste it, then change Gucci, blah, Gucci, change it to the brands you want. After you've changed that, then I think the rest is pretty much simple. Make sure you also have featured image for this too. Very, very, very important. Make sure you add feature image to the post too the second time, and then click on sub publish. You see publish here. You are seeing update because I'm coming back to this post again. I've already published it before. I'm coming again. That's why you're seeing update. So once you are done with that, boom, you have it. It's going to automatically be in your front end, and great, you have it displaying. So let me know if you need anything to as you try it, and I hope this video is more explicit enough for you to understand. Okay, I'll see you then.